Imagine a speaker powerful enough to fill any room or backyard with booming, crystal clear sound and light enough to carry anywhere. JBL's new Boombox 4 promises exactly that. JBL has unveiled the Boombox 4, the latest evolution of their legendary portable speaker lineup. Currently exclusive to China, this device is expected to hit global markets soon. And while the price sits around $558, the features might make it worth every penny. Weighing just 5.89 kilograms, the Boombox 4 is 12% lighter than its predecessor. Its integrated handle makes it effortless to transport, whether it's a pool party, a hiking trip, or just moving it from room to room. With IP68 certification, it's resistant to dust and water, giving you the freedom to take it anywhere, rain or shine. On the tech side, the Boombox 4 supports Bluetooth 5.4 and Auracast for seamless wireless audio streaming. It also features USB-C playback for wired connections. In other words, it's compatible with almost any device, from smartphones to laptops, and ready for high-quality music on the go. The Boombox 4 sound system is nothing short of impressive. 2 5-inch subwoofers, 2 tweeters, and 3 passive radiators deliver up to 210 watts RMS when plugged in and up to 180 watts on battery power. Every beat, every note, every bass drop comes through loud and clear. Powering all that audio is a 99 watt-hour battery, capable of up to 34 hours of playback with a special energy-saving mode. That means your music can go on all day, whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a long road trip. With its lightweight design, robust audio performance, and enduring battery, the JBL Boombox 4 is redefining what a portable speaker can be. Powerful, durable, ready for anything. If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.